Hello guys, review VIVO Y36, this version, 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, open box. Gold color, protected back cover in completation. Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay. On the front side we have display 6.6 inch, on this side power key and volume keys. Upside slot for nano SIM cards. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. We have IPS Full HD Plus resolution, refresh rate 90 Hz. Look into the benchmark results. My device. CPU we have Snapdragon 610. It's Adreno 610 and Snapdragon 680. Close this. Run demo video in Beta Sunrise. Game works on the max graphic level and works very good. Okay, close this, open settings. About phone we have FunTouch OS, version Android 13. FunTouch OS 13 global. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.